To solve this problem, we're going to need to use the formula that we just created. So first thing I want you to do is go ahead and write the formula that we just wrote down. So the exact same formula we just did, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Go ahead and write it down. We're going to use this formula, the one that we just did. To be able to use this formula, we got to make sure that we have labeled the points we started with. So just like we labeled them before, and you will always label them this way. We have x1, y1, x2, y2. Make sure you've got them all labeled, please. As long as you have the correct formula, and as long as you've labeled them correctly, setting this up is actually really, really easy. All you do is replace each letter in the formula with the numbers that they go with. So let's do them one at a time. Go ahead and say it out loud as I point them out. Which number is y2? Negative 2. And the negative is important, so let's make sure we have that. So this is negative 2. This is also important. The formula says minus. So negative 2 minus. What is y1? 1. Alright, y1 is 1, so we'll put in a 1. Now let's do the bottom. x2. Which number is x2? 6. Okay. Very, very important. There is a minus sign in the formula, so we write the minus sign. Now, what number is x1? Negative 3. Don't forget the negative, and here's why I said this is important. We already wrote the minus sign that was in the formula. Now we have negative 3. We have seen this before. 2 minus signs in a row will actually turn into what? A positive or a plus. So now all we have to do is do our addition and subtraction. What is negative 2 minus 1? Negative 3. It's like owing $2 and then owing another one. You owe 3 now. And on the bottom we have 6 plus 3, which is 9. Can we reduce this? Absolutely. What number goes into 3 that also goes into 9? 3. How many times 3 go into itself?
1.
So we have a negative 1 on top. And how many times 3 go into 9?
3.
3 on the bottom. So our final answer is negative 1/3.